tutorial I want to show you how to generate this type of indicator in FileMaker. As you can see, you have all the coordinates here, and modify this parameter automatically FileMaker updated. This is great to create a dashboard or control. So you can change, for example, the name. We can call test2 for just to give you, and immediately it's update here. Or you can say the font size. We can increase the font size or decrease it, put to 10, and immediately the system will be. We keep it 15, but I think is the best one. Or value, we can move to 59 immediately. The land we go there. We can select what is the maximum dimension of a value, so you can use 100 and here right to 100. So you can see that you have all the parameter to add and to fix it. So with this one, and it's very simple because to create it, because you have just to go there, manage database. You have all the parameter here. So you can take all these parameters, you copy this, and you can create the this one very easy way. So if you have any request, any doubt or any question, be free to contact me anytime. Thanks.